Alright, here I am in the Passthrough, my Grand Design fifth wheel, but many travel trailers have a setup very similar. I've actually got this back wall torn down. I'm in the process of putting in a off-grid system. Got a Victron Multi-Plus and Links distributor and MPPTs and all that stuff. But as I've been crawling in and out of this Passthrough, trying to get everything situated, these little buckets that are kind of in the front, it was already cracked from dragging cargo in and out across there, but dragging my body across there, this is just all broke now. So what I'm going to do to fix that is put a piece of angle aluminum. I just got from Lowe's. It's like a 1x1 piece of angle aluminum. So nothing too special, but I'm going to drill some holes and put that on there, and then all these cracks that are at the original holes will be supported, and this thing won't fall out of the fifth wheel. All right, one in. Two in. And three in. And three in. Alright, now that the inside lip is awesomeness, and no more breaking, popping, and cracking every time I move over it, we'll also do this outside lip, and you can see they're all broke. That's broken completely through. That's broken. That's broken. So I've got some fender washers, and I'm going to take those screws out and move them over a bit and put in with some fender washers. Alright, first I'm just going to drill some pilot holes right beside the broke pieces, just to down a little bit. This plastic is so slippery. All right, pilot holes are in. Put this bit in. And I've got one screw already out. So I'm gonna try it first. Oh yes, it's in there. All right, gotta get these other ones out. All right, one more. If we can see that much at all, but they're just completely broken. plastic's completely broken out. And last fender washer. Heck yes. Alright. This sucker. Alright, this thing is solid as a rock now. Corner in, middle, and one more corner. So, man, it made all the difference in the world in this thing. Solid now, and that's gonna allow me to drag whatever I want to drag across it without it breaking, popping, snapping, and cracking like some kind of breakfast cereal. Snap, crackle, pop.